Okay. Hey guys, my name is Harrison, and I'm representing Team Platts, and we're building a Cardano event platform. So we have be, we have been very passionate with a problem that we see happening in blockchain as a whole, which is there's a big gap between Web 2, Web 3, and the real world. And we want to bridge this gap. We want to bridge Web 2, Web 3, and the real world through hybrid events, which are events where people will go to in-person events, but they're going to use something from the traditional layer of the web and blockchain. And we're asking for 280, 500 ADA to build a product that could support this. And we found that this problem is not just happening in just any blockchain ecosystem. We found that the Cardano community is also having problems with this as well. For example, there are many Cardano-related, Cardano-themed events that is asking for funds from Project Catalyst, but because of the halt and slow process of Project Catalyst, they had to pause it for a little while. And we hope that by building a no-code ADA crowd sponsor tool, we could mitigate and we could help these events become less dependent on Project Catalyst. We want to target people who know about blockchain, who knows how to purchase ADA, but is not at the level of not at the level of a technical expert yet. We want to build tools for those who knows how to connect the wallet, who want to use their ADA to sponsor an event, to promote their product, who want to reward ADA NFTs to event goers on a global scale. We want to connect ADA holders, ADA whales, for example, in the US, in Japan, with developing countries such as Vietnam or Nigeria. And we also want to solve some event-specific problems, which most events have. So we have 3 problems and we have 3 solutions. And we hope that this solution could increase the number of Cardano events, increase the number of unique ADA wallets, increase number of ADA community members, reduce the cost and time organizing events. And this is a long-term goal. But for this fund, we are targeting building an easy-to-use, a little front-end heavy app. Make sure that it is secure, and we hope that we could serve about 20 events from small to large, about 5,000 attendees.